Namaste, welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Normally, I prepare no-cook Kaju Katli, but this time I thought of preparing Kaju Katli traditional way. To prepare Kaju Katli, in a blender, take 2 cups of cashew and blend to a fine powder. Make sure to pulse and not blend, or else the cashew will release oil and turns into a paste. Sieve the cashew powder, making sure there are no lumps. Keep aside. Other nuts like almond or pistachio can be used to prepare almond katli or pistachio katli. On a low to medium heat, in a large pan, take half cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Stir well and dissolve sugar. Boil for about 5 minutes or until one string consistency is attained. Add in powdered cashew and mix well. Stir continuously until the mixture is well combined and smooth paste is formed. Now add 1 teaspoon ghee and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. I love to add rose essence, but totally optional. Mix well. Continue to cook until the mixture turns smooth paste and starts to separate pan slightly. Do not overcook as the Kaju Katli will turn hard. Transfer the mixture into a butter paper. Make sure to grease the butter paper with ghee. Now fold using a spatula until the mixture thickens, forming a dough. Once dough is formed, knead slightly to form soft dough. Place the cashew dough between butter paper and roll using a rolling pin. Roll slightly thick, making sure it's uniform. Apply silver leaf or silver work. Applying work is optional. Now cut into diamond shape or shape of your choice. Finally, enjoy Kaju Katli for a month when stored in an airtight container. Look at how beautiful it turned out to be, and the taste is just amazing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.